people. How are you all doing? In the beginning of this week, on the 18th of October 2021, I'm going to be just taking out generic reading for the week and its energies. Cards are one of the ways and tools to figure out energy. It's all about energy. And this is one of the fun ways where I use these cards to interpret energy that may be. If it doesn't resonate with you, leave it. If it resonates with you, take it. It's also not time bound. You might see this video after a few days, after a few months, or after some time, and probably that's the time it's resonating with you. That's the time you need to look at it. That's the time you need to hear what the universe is trying to tell us. Energies and universe keep using conduits, catalyst ways to tell us about energies all the time. The idea is to listen to it, use your instincts, use your gut to take actions to it. At the end of the day, it's all about actions. To know more about what I do as a life coach, wellness coach, and a mental health NLP practitioner, do reach out to me www.eatowithchopra.in or DM me or send a personal message to know more about the sessions and the workshops and what I teach. So first I'm going to be using the chakra deck here. The chakra deck is generally talking about the energy centers in our body and what are those energy centers trying to tell us, because energy centers are also very important centers from where our hormonal health, our psychological health, and our physiological health is portrayed. So the first card that is talking about wisdom, and it's the green card. The green card talks about the heart and the lungs and the gland here, or the hormone here, which the major organ here is the heart and the lungs. So take care of your heart health, take care of your lung health, take care of your breathing, and if some of you are feeling a little low, do some deep breathing exercises, pump up your heart, go and do some little bit of cardio, do all of that. That will help you. Two, it's also talking about if you're feeling a little stagnant in your relationships, are you feeling a little not worthy in your relationships, it's time to kind of energize and recharge your heart chakra. And also, money abundance could be an issue here. Green is also the color, pink and green are the color of the heart chakra. So here probably it's talking about money as well. But this card is talking about risk, go into your inner wisdom. Look at your inner wisdom, your gut, your instincts. Your heart is trying to tell you something. That is the need of the hour. Listen to your inner wisdom, listen to your heart, and follow it. Because your inner wisdom is also talking about all the generational wisdom that you have carried with you through the ages, and also the wisdom that you yourself embody as a person. So look at your inner wisdom, talk about it, and share it, and say what is it trying to tell you, especially to do with your heart health, especially to do with your heart chakra, especially to do with abundance. And abundance can be actually talked in the terms of time. Having time is a real abundance, because when you have time you can create so many things and you can do so much with it. And the second card from the heart sorry chakra cards is rejection. Some of you are feeling rejected. Now, this is a gray card. This is not talking about any of the chakra. This is talking about how you're feeling physiologically. At this point of time, some of you are feeling rejected. It could be that your expectations were very high. You were expecting something. You were expecting a certain outcome from a relationship, from a job, uh, from something that you were doing, from a project or anything. And since it hasn't happened, you're feeling rejected. You're taking it upon yourself. It is becoming a personal fight, whereas that's not the case. Sometimes when things don't work out for us, it's probably we have to do better at it, we have to learn something. The time is not opportune at this time, but something needs to be done a little more. So don't feel rejected or dejected. Look into it, better yourself, because it's also a rejection, failures are also time where you can look into newness. What more can I do? What more can I learn from it? What more can I relearn from it? And what more can I unlearn from it? And that's what will bring you better prospects into whatever you're feeling. And stop taking this rejection as a personal thing. Look at it, there must be something, and there is always a side or the other side of the story. Look at it and look at other perspectives as well. And the third card is talking about self worth. The third card is talking about self worth. This is the sacral chakra. The sacral chakra is called Swadhisthana in Sanskrit, and it literally means the seat of my being. Take care of your reproductive health, take care of your health, take care of your self esteem, take care of insecurities and judgments. Somewhere you're feeling less about yourself. Eat a lot of orange color, naturally food, that will help you. And take care of your self esteem and self worth, self esteem, self confidence is not coming from outside, it comes from within, from our own self. We have to work at it, we have to really work at it. So, work at creating your self worth. And self worth also comes from doing things that you love doing. So, don't ever shortchange and compromise on what you like doing in life. Do something for yourself. And I'm also going to use these cards from the affirmation cards, and I'm going to take out one affirmation for all of us for this week that we are sitting in on the 18th of. The card says, I am the person of becoming my own best friend. And here we just now spoke of self worth. So I'm the person becoming of my own friend, the person I'm most happy to be with. So your self worth, self esteem, self love is something that you need to look into. And it says, loving myself unconditionally means accepting what is in loving myself. I help create a world where it is safe for us to love each other. So when I love myself, when I share that love that I have within myself, for myself, take care of myself, then I have the power to share it with others. If I'm happy within, then I will go on to make the world a happier place, because that's how it happens. That's how the cookie breaks. So that was it for the day. Wishing you lots and lots of love and light.